Have you ever been in the middle of a project with the perfect idea for an AI-generated video, and then, bam, you run out of credits? That dreaded low credit notification pops up, and your creativity comes to a full stop. Frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you there's a legit way to get 100 free credits for VEO3 every single month? No shady hacks, no sketchy sites, just a simple method that anyone can use. And yes, if you've got more than one email, you can actually get even more credits. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to unlock this deal and keep your AI video projects flowing without spending a single dollar. The secret is through Google Labs. They've recently updated their Flow platform, and new users now get a very generous free tier. Step 1. Head over to the official Google Labs Flow website. I'll drop the link down below in the description. Step 2. You'll see a banner or section about the new free tier. Just click Start Creating or Get Started. Step 3. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, don't worry, it's free to create. And that's it. Once you're in, check your dashboard. You'll instantly see 100 free monthly credits waiting for you. Now, what can you actually do with 100 credits? A lot. You can test prompts, generate cinematic short, create scroll-stopping social media posts, or even experiment with unique visual effects. And here's the best part. This isn't a one-time gift. The credits reset every month, so you're always topped up. A couple of things to keep in mind. Since this is a free tier, you may notice some limitations, such as slower generation times or watermarks. But honestly, for testing, learning, and creating fun clips, it's a great deal. And remember, if you've got multiple Google accounts, you can repeat the process and stack up even more free credits. So there you have it. That's how you can get 100 free VEO3 credits every month, hassle-free. If this video helped you, make sure to hit subscribe to 99 reviews, and drop a comment telling me what kind of videos you'll create with your free credits. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.